Yes, dear students, as I told you last class, we divided all 28 figures of speeches into four forms. Four main forms as their characteristics. As based on their characteristics. Okay, let us see which are the four forms of divisions and which figure of speech is in that group. Okay, see. Okay, let us see. Figures of speech may be classified as in the like this. First group, those based on resemblance. Those based on resemblance, such as simile, metaphor, personification, apostrophe. Simile, metaphor, personification, apostrophe. These four figure of speech is based on resemblance. Okay. Then second group, those based on contrast. Such as antithesis and epigram. Contrast, antithesis and epigram. Okay. Third one, those based on association. Metonymy and synecdoche. Okay. The fourth group, those based depending on construction. Those are climax and anticlimax. Okay. These are the four main divisions, main groups. Okay. Let us see all these figure of speeches, 28 figures of speeches, with example one by one. Okay. See the first one, which is based on resemblance. That is none other than simile. The first one, simile. Okay. What is simile then? Okay. Let us see. In a simile, a comparison is made between two objects of different kind. In a simile, a comparison made between two different kinds, two objects of different kinds, which have however at least in one point in common. Okay. See, my dear students, in simile, the comparison made between two objects of different kinds. Let me tell you, if we compare the same objects, we don't call it a simile. Please remember always, when a comparison made between two different kinds of objects, a comparison made between objects of two different kinds, then normally we can call it simile. Okay, I will explain with example, then normally you can understand. And one more thing, after the comparison, the two different kinds objects, after the comparison, the two different kinds object keep their separate identity. They don't make a whole. The two different kinds of object, they keep their separate identity. Okay, let us see. See, the simile is usually introduced by such words as like, as, or so. Like, as, or so. Okay, these three words are we found in simile sentence. Let us see. He fought like a lion. He fought like a lion. See, here the comparison between person and animal. Two objects, different kinds. Two objects are different kinds. Person and animal. Okay, not same kind. Person is different, like animal is different. Okay, he fought like a lion. How he fought? He fought like a lion. But you see, after the comparison, these two objects, these two person and animal, keeps their separate identity. They then make a whole. See that he is separate and a lion is separate. After the comparison, the two different kinds of objects keep their separate identity. Okay, now let us see. Second example. As a ship used for crossing the ocean. As a ship used for crossing the ocean. So the camel is used for crossing the desert. See, we found in this sentence four different kinds of object. Ship, now the ocean, it is also a camel, animal, the desert, and another thing again. See that all these four are compared. After the comparison, camel is also same, separate, and the desert is also with their separate identity. The ship is also same, it keeps their separate identity at the ocean. It means as a ship used to cross the ocean, so as we use the camel to cross the desert. Understand? Yes, we used ship to cross the ocean, so as we used camel to cross the desert. See, all these four different kind objects keep their separate identity after the comparison also. Camel is not become a ship, or ocean is not become a desert. Understand? Like lion is not become a he person, or a person not become a lion. Only comparison, that's all. So it means finally what is that? It is clear. In a simile, the two different kinds of objects compare each other. After the comparison, the two different kinds of objects keep their separate identity. We can make it separate easily. See the next example. The waves broke on the shore. The waves broke on the shore. How? With a noise, the thunder. How? The waves broke on the shore? Whether the waves broke on the shore silently? No, not at all. See, the waves broke on the shore, like on the seashore, the coastline. See, the waves broke on the shore with a noise like a thunder. Okay, see, here also comparison. How waves approach the seashore. Okay, let us see another one. Danger will pass away. Danger will pass away like a troubled night. Danger, once it comes, it will pass away. It will not remain so long. So danger will pass away like a troubled night. How the night will passes away. Again the sunshine will come. In the same way, the danger will pass away like a troubled night. Again you will get happiness or good things. The danger will pass away like a troubled night. See, like a troubled night. Danger will pass away like a troubled night. It will not remain so long. It will pass away. How? It will pass away like a dark night, like a troubled night. Okay? Like that. See, the next one. How far the little candle? The little candle. How far the little candle is this one? How far the little candle throws his beams of light. Throws his beams. So shines a good deed. So shines a good deed in a naughty world. In a naughty world. Because the world is like a naughty world. How far that little candle throws his beams, brightness and shyness. The beams so shines a good deed in a naughty world. Okay, dear students, for all these examples, we came to understand that in a simile, the two objects of different kinds compare each other. After the comparison, the two different kinds of objects keeps their separate identity. This is called simile. Okay, let us see next metaphor. Metaphor is also implied